My name is William Daniels. I'm from Lexington High School. I am a 10th grader or sophomore. I am the second youngest in my class, and I have a strong passion for engineering and robotics.
My name is Evelyn, and I'm in 12th grade at LTC.
My name is JD Peck. I go to Gilbert High School, and I'm a senior.
My name is Jacob Neal. I go to River Bluff High School.
My name is Ryan Petapali. I'm a 12th grader here at Lexington High School, and I decided to take the drones class because I thought, while signing up, that it would be a fun way to learn more about drones, to learn more about aerospace.
And I first wanted to join because I heard like electronics engineering, and my teacher was like, oh yeah, we're gonna be flying drones. And I was like, that seems very cool.
Like before ever coming into this, I didn't know even a quarter of all the laws and the rules that were actually, you have to imply into it. Like just having a recreational drone, you know, and using that for a hobby or just for fun, versus having to take a test that little pilots use.
There's no other class or school probably that you can go to and learn how to do FAA operations and how to do airport operations and all this other stuff, because we used the same book from, like, regular pilots wrote the book that we learn out of.
I won't say it was easy, but with all the resources with Mr. Ned, he made it a lot easier than if it's I was trying to pursue that on my own.
In the beginning, I was definitely like very concerned and very scared that I wouldn't be able to pass the test or the class. But after I got into it and I started getting help and I started helping some other people, it actually became really easy for me.
I think I got like an 83 on the test, which was kind of a good medium in the class, but we did really well. But I was really happy when I learned I passed the test. I passed with the second highest passing grade in the entire course, which was pretty nice. So all that study time really paid off.
It's one of the best programs that can instantly give you something tangible that you can say, I now have this skill. I'm certified in this skill that I could walk out the second I graduate in 3 weeks. So in 3 weeks when I graduate, I could go to a drone company and they would be able to hire me if I wanted to.
My plans after high school is going to a 4-year USC Aiken for industrial processing. And then after that, I plan on going to SRS, the Savannah River Site Complex, the nuclear plant. The drone certification allowed me to have more options down there. I mean, my dad works there, so I was planning on being an engineer there, but I have more options to fly drones there, do engineering work, all that good stuff.
I would definitely recommend this class for anyone who's interested in aviation and just anyone in general, because it is a very good opportunity, because most people come out of this class with a drone license, so you can go anywhere right after this and start flying drones and start making money off of it, and it's a really good paying job.
Having options in life is very important. And if one door closes, you have another door to walk in, and if that door, you just keep going on to the next. You can't have one path and not expect to fall off the path. That's just how life is, and that's what this class allows other people to do. So that's why I highly recommend to anybody to take this class. It's a really good class.
For more information, visit ainautics.com.